Hi everyone, Rinschef here in Rin's kitchen. It's biryani day, chicken biryani per se. Today we're making chicken biryani, homemade, nice, simple, lovely and tasty chicken biryani. Ginger and garlic. We're making ginger and garlic paste. Onions finely chopped. Here I have 4 large finely chopped onions, thinly sliced cucumber, nicely grated carrots, blended tomato, finely chopped tomato, plain and vanilla yogurt, chicken, pilau masala, cumin seeds, food color, rice. You also need tomato paste and water. Step number 1, put on my fire as usual. Then my pan. I am making 1 kilo of rice. So I'll pour the rice in the pan. Add water. That is 1. And 2. Remember I told you I cook my rice in cold water. Add the cumin seeds. Add salt. Add some oil, just a little oil, and let it cook for a while. For the chicken, I'll put on my fire. Put the chicken, add the yogurt. For me, both the vanilla and the plain yogurt. Add the ginger and garlic. Mix it a bit and let it cook. Okay, when your rice is almost dry, that is when you add the carrots. I'm trying to get color. Add the carrots and mix them. After mixing the carrots, you let it cook on very low heat for a few more minutes until it's completely dry, because it's not yet dry. You put the food color in water. Mix it well so that you have colored water. This is when your rice is dry and you've put it on very low heat. Then now you make a pattern, any pattern as you desire, because we need the rice to have different colors. So mine will have some bit of white, some bit of orange from the carrots, and now this from food color. So I'll pour. I hope that's a letter R for Rinschef. Yes. Then you let it cook until it dries completely. My oil is ready. So next I'll put my onions. We are deep frying the onions until they are golden brown. Your chicken and the yogurt are well boiling. See, the chicken looks like it's beginning to cook and the mixture looks like stew. That is when we add our salt, some bit of salt, add pilau masala, add tomato paste, and mix them well. Then you let it cook for a while longer. When it is beginning to boil, you add your blended tomato mix and let it cook. This is the chicken for the biryani. See, it's beginning to get a nice color. And the yogurt and the tomatoes are blending so well. So this is when you add your mixed spices. And if you prefer, you can add some cumin seeds, but those are optional, just for the taste. And then you let it cook. Fry your onions until they are golden brown. Once your onions are golden brown, as you can see, you remove them from the oil. Drain all the oil from the onions. We need them as dry as possible. If you would like to cook your biryani with potatoes, you can prepare your potatoes, then you deep fry them on this oil first before you put them in the stew. But I am not using potatoes. Then you add the onions to the stew. Add the onions. Our biryani is almost ready. Add the pepper, capsicum, pilipili hoho, and some dhania. Mix them well. If you've fried your potatoes, if you're using potatoes, that is, now is when you add the potatoes. Give it about a minute before your food is ready to serve. My food is ready, the biryani. So, first step in serving, you'll mix the rice so that you have a bit of color. Mix. You have some blue, some white, some orange from the carrots. Mix them with a fork. After you've mixed your rice, now you go ahead and serve. See how nice it looks? Appetizing. Make sure it's well mixed. See the color of the rice? Then the stew. It's also nicely done. You see, we did not cook it with oil, but see how it looks. Someone would say it was made with oil. So now we go ahead and serve. For the garnish, we'll use some bit of cucumber to give it some more color. And then we add some tomatoes. And then we'll sprinkle some of the leftover onions. And there we have it. It has been nice taking you through the process of making homemade biryani, chicken biryani. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Please subscribe. The link is below the video. Bye bye, till next time.